Snow day, Wednesday, snow day, 2 p.m. Really coming down hard. John just called me. He needs help. Apparently a tree outside his house just fell down. And he needs my help. They lost power. He needs help to clear up the snow, to move the tree, so I'm driving over to his place. Weather is really bad. Snow is coming down really hard, like 2 to 3 inches an hour. I'm in my FJ Cruiser truck. John needs help. He has a Tundra. It's in the garage, but I think it's I don't think we'll need to be doing any towing or anything. Maybe moving some parts of the tree. Let's figure it out once I get there. We're very close to his house already. Oh wow, so there's fire trucks over here already. He told me they might have trouble getting in. Oh yeah, now where do I park? I parked by one of the neighbors. And here's John. There he is. Let's see what's going on over there. Never miss a good opportunity.
Why'd you go back? I just got yelled at by them.
Wait a minute, see.
It scared the shit out of me. I was right in front of the window.
By your house, right?
Yeah, I was right. I can't
What
even,
happened? That evergreen tree fall?
fucking fine. They're uprooted.
Yeah.
Took the pole out in front of my house and
Look at that. Look at that. That just came down. Took down. How you doing?
This you?
My friend John. No, he's inside. Yeah, he did. He actually called. He called in a while ago.
I was here about a month or two ago. It's in the neighbor's house.
So he's getting a new pole. Oh my God. Do you want to take your car? What, you want to take the truck, or you want to take my truck? You want to take my truck? We'll get a generator. How do you want to do it?
yeah.
Okay. Does it fit?
Drive.
Huh?
I can't go anywhere.
Okay.
There's old power wires. I can't. Nobody could go in the front.
Okay. So things have calmed down now. I'm taking John. We're going together to get a generator. The house is completely lost power. The whole street lost power. We're trying to grab a generator as soon as possible. He has his own generator, but it's at a job site right now. I have a generator, but he doesn't want to take it right now unless we really have no choice. We'll take it.
Snap the one first by my house, right? Snap the one pole by my house first. Came down.
Right over here.
Bolt it. Make it right. Bolt the lightning. As it's coming down, it snaps the other one by Dave's house.
Oh
Yeah, it's crazy.
So did you lose
Scared
the attack?
living bejeevers out of me.
Did you lose the?
Nerve-wracking.
We were able to reserve a smaller generator, one of the shops, 2,300 kilowatts. Trying to get something bigger.
Yes, do you have any Honda generators left in stock?
Only go Japanese. Look at the beauty. Look at her. Look at her. Eat up the snow. We were driving around for like 4.5 hours till we found a place where they reserved a generator for us. It's in Garfield. We're going to grab it right now. Okay, we're on our way back home. We found in Garfield, we found a nice Yamaha 2600 watts generator. Hopefully it's gonna hold power. The guy said that it's gonna hold the refrigerator no problem. So we're all loaded. The generator is in the back with gas. Go over to John's, hook it up, run
Now
it.
John could relax a little bit.
Yeah,
He's
he
got
was
his
kind of
generator.
stressed out before, as you noticed. But now we're on the way home. We'll run it, see how the house is running, and go get more gas. This is the garage. We're gonna power up the generator, connect it to an outlet. That outlet is connected to the main board. His main right now is shut down, is disconnected from the power, from the like street power. So it's isolated from everything else. We're gonna start this up and power the whole house, hopefully, through this outlet. He actually, when he built this garage, he built this box exactly for that situation. There we go. There you go. Oh my God, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
A few moments later.
Okay, quick update. It's been an hour since we tried out the Yamaha. Apparently, it's a faulty unit. It stopped working. The engine is running, but the AC, the power is not working. No electrical power. So we drove over to my house, picked up my generator, see if that works. Hopefully, that's ridiculous. There's a guy on a snowmobile in the middle of town. I can't believe it. Police are all over the place.
Actually?
Yeah.
I haven't seen one.
Right on the beginning of the street. A car, that's why I told you that. Here, the guys with a snowmobile. Hey! Oh my God, rednecks. So, we just got the second generator running. Gonna try the same thing to hook it up, see if it runs the house. The Subaru engine, rigid, we don't know. I bought it like 5 years ago, never used it. Hopefully it's gonna work now. Unfortunately, this is not a Hollywood movie, and there's no good ending to this story. Tried 2 generators, weren't able to restore power to the house. Apparently, we're suspecting that the electrical poles outside, somehow shortened the ground to the whole area, to the house, to the feed into the house. And there's something definitely wrong going on over there. Whenever we try to feed the power, it pops the circuit breaker on the generator. So 2 generators, unable to power the house. John doesn't want to run the wires, through the house just the old-fashioned way. It's not going to solve any solution. He needs heating anyway on, so that's not going to be the solution. Hopefully they're going to wait. They're going to restore the power through PSE&G as soon as possible. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, this video. If you did, please like it, share it, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead, click that Kissel Vlogs logo and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. That's it for now. Peace out.